Good day, everyone. Today, we will discuss what compassion is, how it is expressed through caring for other people and the environment, and how communal discernment can help make our university, PU, and the world more compassionate place. To me, compassion is more than simply feeling for someone. Uh, it is the willingness to recognize another person's struggle, understand their situation, and take meaningful action to help whenever possible. Compassion encourages us not only to care about others but also to act in ways that promote their well-being. Parang tinutulungan natin ang isa't isa para ah, ano ba para ma-promote natin ang sarili natin. Compassion also requires respect. Every person needs respect regardless of their background. We choose kindness over judgment, patience over anger, and understanding over indifference. Even small actions such as listening to someone is considered as expression of compassion. Another example is showing gratitude to workers in our community and helping a classmate or helping someone who is struggling. Not only that, compassion extends beyond our relationship with people. It also includes care for the environment. The environment sustains all life, so caring for it is an act of caring for present and the future generation. When we reduce waste, conserve water and electricity, recycle, or participate in tree planting and cleanup, we are showing compassion because we recognize that our actions affect others. So basically, by caring for our nature, we care for each other. Another important concept is communal discernment. Communal discernment is a process of people coming together to reflect, listen, discuss, and make decisions. It, uh, it is mas maganda ito kaysa sa mag-individual ka, 'di ba? Mas maganda may kagrupo kang mas maganda may kasama ka nagre-reflect, nag-discuss kaysa naman sa mag-isa ka diyan, sariling mundo, di ba alam ginagawa mo. In context, communal discernment can strengthen compassion in many ways. For example, students, faculties, administrators, and staff each have different experiences and ideas. Pero pag nakinig sila sa isa't isa, parang nag-give sila ng ideas, give and take ba? They can develop policies and programs that responds to the real needs of its members. For instance, yung mga students need nila mag-consult about academic concerns or mental health. Yung their voices help shape better solutions when environmental initiatives are planned. Yun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, kung nagtutulungan kayo, parang yung estudyante is nag-ask ng help sa kanyang teacher and the teacher thinks of a solution to help the student. Para natutulungan na rin yung teacher na ma-improve yung sarili niya. Diba? Communal discernment also teaches important values such as humility and respect. It reminds us that no one has all the answers by listening carefully and being open to learning from others. Kagala din yung sinabi ko kanina. We make wiser decisions that reflect compassion and justice. In our daily lives, we can contribute by practicing active listening, respecting and volunteering in community activities. These habits may seem ordinary, but together they help create a more compassionate society. Outside of campus, community service is equally important in addressing global challenges, such as poverty, climate change, and wala na ako maisip. Poverty and climate change lang. Uh, pero, yan, poverty, climate change, they require communities, organizations, governments, and their citizens to work together by sharing ideas to one another and seek solutions that benefits everyone. Compassion grows stronger when people cooperate instead of competing to one another. They prioritize the common good over personal gain. Diba? Mas maganda nagtutulungan tayo, that is part of compassion. In conclusion, compassion is the ability to recognize the needs of someone. Some parang paano ba to? I-explain mo yung hindi no. Explain. In conclusion, we approach one another with respect, kindness, and meaningful action. It is expressed through caring for people, protecting the environment, and making choices that promotes the well-being of all. Wala na akong masabi about compassion. Siguro ano pa ba? And communal discernment can also improve no can solve issues such as discrimination, inequality, and yan, discrimination, no, tama ba? Tama, discrimination and equality ang pwede masolve ng communal discernment. That is all. Wala na akong masabi about sa topic compassion, pero may remaining 2 minutes pa bago matapos ang 10 minutes. So repeat na lang ba? Compassion is more simply compassion is more than feeling sorry for someone. It is the willingness to help someone not in danger, but rather in help, in need. Compassion extends beyond nasabi ko na yung our relationship, tapos yung extends sa nature, basta yun. Tapos sige, in our daily lives we can contribute by participating, active listening, respecting different opinions, volunteering in community activities, supporting environmental programs, and making ethical choices that consider how our actions affects others. This habit may seem ordinary, but together they help create a more compassionate society. Sabi na natin. That is all. Good day. Bye bye.